Queen Syxx. Yeah. I see her smile fade in the shadow of his game. Treats her like a pawn, but she's more than just a name. Ice cold winds blowing, chill cuts to the bone. Wish she'd find her wings instead of feeling alone. Yo, late nights in the car, we talk till dawn breaks. She tells me stories of him and how her heart aches. He's got his grip tight, thinks he owns her soul, but I know deep inside there's a fire that he stole. She deserves better than this love knowledge, wrapped up in his drama like a puppet on a breach. Yeah, I'm rolling up my dreams like these smoke-filled bubbles while she's stuck in the silence where nobody knows. Catch those glances when he ain't looking. Right in those fleeting moments, it feels so damn bright. Wishing for the courage to break down that wall, but I'm just another frame while he makes that call. Cocky motherfucker's gonna ball till he falls. Oh girl, can't you see, it's me. You're more than what you see. You don't gotta live your life in the shadows every day. Take a leap of faith, let go of the pain. In this wild world together, you and me could be. Come dance with me in the rain, let's be free. His voice booms like thunder, but it sounds so weak. Controlling every move like she lost her own beat. But every time you laugh, there's music in the tunnel. A melody waiting for someone to bring it home. Look at how he treats you like you're nothing but his toy. Girl, you're worth the cosmos and shine with joy. Don't let him clip your wings. Spread wide and fly high. There's freedom out here, waiting beneath this endless sky. So if you feel it too, when our eyes meet at night, know I'm standing ready to show you what's right. If only you take chances and trust, this spark ignites. We could write our story while leaving behind these pointless fights. Caught between two worlds, but fear of the life. But life's too short to settle for pain. Goodbye, don't leave you waiting when you're ready to break free. Just know there's someone who believes deeply in we.